Morgan with Parkside Realty Group. Are you ready to live the good life at 540 Good Life Way? Welcome to Latitude Margaritaville. I can't wait to show you this sleek Tesla home. Come take a look with me. Thank you so much for coming to 540 Good Life Way with me, a home that's known as the Tesla home with its sleek solar panels and Tesla Powerwall. I'm Morgan Porter. My phone number is 386-268-7735. If you want a private tour, give me a call. I'm happy to show you.